My name is Andy and I'm from Los Angeles, California.
My name is Johnny and I'm the CEO of Lulu's. I consider myself not a stylist, not a piercer, more of like an in-between. You're taking the science and you're taking the art and you're putting it together. I pretty much connect the dots.
So I'm going to get my ear styled, but I'm not too sure what to expect, but I'm pretty excited. My thoughts on ear styling, I'm not too familiar with ear styling, but I'm kind of excited to see what you can do with these suckers over here. So my friend recently got her ear styled with Lulu and she recommended that I go and check them out. So I'm actually pretty excited to be here and get my ear styled. So I'm gonna put all my trust on Johnny today.
I came up with Andy's style today. After speaking with her, she did say she loves gold, so obviously I already know what color theme to go with, gold.
What do you think? You want to go like a more sophisticated look?
Yes.
So I decided to go with one ear, very upscale, very minimalistic, very classy, but still add a little bit of sparkle. And the other side, I wanted to go a little bit more artistic, more experimental, and a lot more like glamorous, a lot more gems, a lot more of like symbols and charms and hoops, and just make it look really fun and wacky and just exciting and fun, just to match your personality.
So I think for you, I'm starting off with like a large hoop on the bottom and a smaller on the back. Kind of gives it a good little feel. Yeah, you have like perfect ears to just do anything. It's like a nice canvas.
Ooh.
I think after you see this, you'll be like,
I know.
That's usually what
Let's
happens.
do it.
Yo guys, we're having a St. Patrick's sale starting midnight tonight, which is 15% off your entire purchase on lulusbodyjewelry.com. This sale is for 48 hours only, so don't wait. Use code St. Patrick's, shop lulusbodyjewelry.com. Links are in the description section below. Back to the video.
Hopefully you can see it.
Oh, no way. Oh my gosh. Can we do all these piercings now?
It's like,
This is so cute.
it's 11 more than what you have.
I like this, like the studs that you put here
Yeah,
too.
like a 2-level thing.
OMG. And then these, like,
So
these are a thing, right?
yeah, so you have the areas called the helix or flat, depending on like if it goes on the edge or if it goes on the flat part.
Uh-huh.
But we put the biggest gem on the middle and then 2 of the smaller ones on the side, just to kind of highlight the middle.
Uh-huh.
And then you have a lightning bolt there because this style is electrifying.
Ooh.
You know? So the process we take when we're styling this ear is pretty much, we decided to display all the jewelry on the client's ear just so they can get a feel and idea of what their ears would look like with the final jewelry, with the piercings all in place. And once we discover that this is the style and the path they want to go for, then we start implementing the actual piercing process to actually get from the point A to point Z. So this is pretty much the trying the clothes on. This is like test driving a car. This is pretty much them getting excited for the style and then figuring out what works for them. And then once they approve, then we move on to the actual piercing process. And then we move on to the actual jewelry process. It's pretty much phase 1 of what could actually be what her final style would actually look like.
I didn't know what to expect, and he literally did these two, and I love them. Now that I have them decorated, I feel like a bad bitch. I like both. I'm like torn in between, because like I love hoops, and then this is like something I normally wouldn't go for, but like it's still hoopy, and it's like, pow. I love all of them. This is the pop inside. There was a lot to choose from. I couldn't really decide on like what specific one I wanted, but I was telling Johnny like my personality and like what I like to do and how I dress, and he picked the best option for me. Because when you look at like piercings, you can't really like picture yourself with it. Like I didn't even know you could get these pierced, or this one in here, or this one here. They all look good on me. I recommend everyone gets styled by Johnny. Highly recommend.
Working with Andy was actually really fun. She was very goofy. She didn't take herself seriously, which made it very easy. It wasn't really stressful. I didn't have to work with someone that's very uptight. So we're joking, we're laughing. She's from LA, so she's very laid back. She's really cool. She understands what we're doing. She loves it. So it was just really fun just working with someone who just gets the process and just enjoys the experience as much as you enjoy the experience. If you want to experience this for yourself, go ahead and click the link in the description section below to book a virtual styling appointment with me.